Hey there, future tech founders. Welcome back to Innofutec, where we turn big ideas into even bigger realities. Today's video is for dreamers, doers, and anyone who's ever thought, what if I could build the next big thing? We're diving deep into how to build a tech startup from scratch. No shortcuts, no fluff, just actionable steps that will guide you through every stage of your journey. So grab your notebook, hit that subscribe button, and let's get started. Before we dive into building your empire, let's talk about reality. Did you know that 90% of startups fail? And guess what? One of the top reasons is lack of market need. That means people are solving problems that don't exist. Or worse, they're not solving them well enough. So here's step 1. Validate your idea. Don't just chase shiny objects. Ask yourself these 3 critical questions. 1. Is this a problem worth solving? 2. Does my solution add real value? 3. Will people pay for it? Do some research? Talk to potential customers, run surveys, use tools like Google Trends or Reddit to see if others are facing the same pain points. Validation isn't optional, it's essential. Once you've validated your idea, it's time to create your MVP, or minimum viable product. Think of it as the simplest version of your product that solves the core problem. Here's the golden rule. Focus on one key feature that delivers maximum impact. For example, when Instagram launched, all it did was allow users to take photos, apply filters, and share them. Nothing more, nothing less. To build your MVP 1, sketch out your user flow. What does the customer experience look like? 2. Prioritize features. Cut anything that doesn't directly address the main problem. 3. Use low-cost tools like Figma for design, Trello for project management, or platforms like Bubble for no-code development. Remember, perfection kills progress. Get something out there fast. Gather feedback, and iterate. You can't do this alone, at least not forever. Building a tech startup requires a solid team. Here's how to assemble yours. 1. Find co-founders. Look for someone whose skills complement yours. If you're technical, find someone strong in business strategy. If you're great at sales, pair up with a developer. Chemistry matters, so choose wisely. 2. Hire smartly. Early hires should wear multiple hats. Look for passionate individuals who believe in your mission. Culture fit is crucial. 3. Leverage freelancers, contractors. Can't afford full-time employees yet? Platforms like Upwork or TopTal can help you access top talent without breaking the bank. A great team doesn't just execute, they inspire each other to push boundaries. Now comes the tricky part, money. There are 2 main paths, bootstrapping or raising capital. Let's break it down. 1. Bootstrapping. This means self-funding or using revenue to grow. Pros, full control over decisions. Cons, slow growth. 2. Raising capital. Pitching to investors gives you cash to scale quickly, but dilutes ownership. Options include angel investors, venture capitalists, crowdfunding, or accelerators like Y Combinator. If you go the investor route, craft a killer pitch deck. Include your vision, market size, traction, financial projections, and why you're the right team to make it happen. Practice until you can deliver it in your sleep. Congratulations, you've launched. But now the real work begins. Scaling a tech startup is all about smart growth. Here are my top tips. 1. Focus on customer retention. Acquiring new customers costs 5x more than retaining existing ones. Build loyalty programs, offer stellar support, and listen to feedback. 2. Automate everything you can. Tools like Zapier, HubSpot, or custom scripts can save hours of manual labor. 3. Double down on marketing. Content marketing, SEO, social media ads, and partnerships can skyrocket visibility. Test different channels to see what works best for your audience. And remember, scaling too fast can kill your startup. Grow sustainably, keep improving your product, and stay lean. Let me be honest, building a tech startup is hard. There will be days when you doubt yourself, face rejection, or feel completely overwhelmed. But here's the truth. Every successful founder has been there. Stay resilient by 1. Surrounding yourself with supportive mentors and peers. 2. Taking care of your mental health. Burnout is real. 3. Celebrating small wins along the way. Progress, no matter how tiny, keeps you motivated. Remember, success isn't overnight. It's built step by step, day by day. And that's it, your ultimate guide to building a tech startup from scratch. From validating your idea to scaling your business, you now have the blueprint. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up. Share it with your aspiring founder friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content like this. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, keep dreaming, keep hustling, and most importantly, start building. See you soon.